What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Long time no see. So today I'm back with another styling video requested by you guys, which is all about styling denim shorts for summer. So denim shorts are basically the replacement of jeans, at least for me during the summer. I live in Texas, so it's hot AF. I can barely put on a pair of denim without dying, so denim shorts it is. So I am going to show you all of my favorite styles of denim shorts, my favorite brands, all the ones that I'm loving right now, and a bunch of different ways to style them. So I'll have everything that you see in the video linked in the description down below. You guys know the drill. Any piece of jewelry, any top, bag that I've styled it with, it'll all be down there. Okay, so I've kind of broken my shorts styles into a couple different categories. So the first is just your classic kind of short denim shorts. These are by far my favorite denim short that I've had for a couple months now, and I wear them probably the most out of all of my denim shorts. They're just your classic short, medium blue wash, slightly distressed denim short. Now, the reason I like these is because they are short, but they're not booty shorts. I do not like when things are cheeky. I just don't want to be like too revealed. I kind of carry most of my weight in my butt and my thighs, so I don't like shorts to be super tight or hoochie. It just doesn't look flattering on me. So this is my perfect kind of short for this style. Now, these are by A Gold D. These are the Parker Vintage Wash, I'm pretty sure. I'll have the exact ones linked down below. And these are a very popular short. Lots of people have them. They are really a staple. Oh God, I'm gonna sneeze. Really like a staple denim short, I think, for so many people. Definitely a little on the pricier side. They're around $100. However, if you're gonna buy like one short for the whole summer, I feel like this is a great investment because it's such good quality. These I like to size up, so I normally wear a size 25. I have a 26 in these, and I just prefer that size just so that they're a little bit looser. I always go up a size in my denim shorts, sometimes 2 sizes, because I do not like them fitted. Like I said, I want that kind of baggy, cool look, and this is the perfect medium for me. So it's a little loose in the waist, but I don't really mind it. It's fine. And really, your short, denim short, you can kind of style any way that you want. So here, you know, basic white t-shirt, any color t-shirt, it looks so cute, just tucked in. It's the most simple outfit. Sandals, sneakers, you're good to go. I also love this pair for a lighter wash kind of short that again isn't too hoochie or short. So these are by Revolve. These are girlfriend denim, and these are the Helena short. Again, I went a size up to a 26. I also ordered a 27, but the 27 was too big. So these are perfect, and I love how they just have a rip at the bottom, and I love the light wash. So light wash, I feel like, is key. You need a light and kind of a medium, different levels, because they look good with different colored things. So for instance, I love wearing like a super light wash with a darker kind of band tee. I think it looks really cool and kind of like a chill, distressed vintage vibe. Really cute. I also love having a light wash denim short in my closet for just like pairing with honestly anything. I think it looks so cute with crew neck sweatshirts, which I'm loving for summertime, like summer nights basically. So you could just wear, you know, a t-shirt under, a tank under, and then take your, you know, sweatshirt to watch sunset or on like a little evening walk or something with sneakers, some jewelry. It looks so cute. Next category of short style are the mom short, which have come back in a couple of years ago, mom jeans, mom shorts, and I love them. I think they're super flattering. They are a little bit longer, but not too long, a little looser, but not too loose, just like a mom jean, but in short versions. I actually found the perfect pair of mom shorts. One of you actually sent them to me. You got like an Instagram ad over DM, and someone was like, these are so you need them, because they were beige. So of course I ordered them. I ordered them in all 3 colors that they come in. They're from this really small boutique that I wasn't aware of, called Dish. It's a Australian brand, and I am in love with these. They are the most perfect mom fit, because sometimes, you know, mom things can be unflattering if they don't fit right. These are perfection. I got them in beige, I got them in black, I got them in denim. I'm obsessed. So the beige I absolutely love, because beige shorts are super hard to find. I think they look so beautiful styled with anything white, black, neutral, but the beige is such a unique color and I just think they're so pretty. So you could go monochromatic, whatever you want, but the mom short style, I feel like it looks a little bit cuter with something a little bit more fitted on top, just to kind of balance out the slight looseness. So it doesn't have to be super fitted, but I tend to like to balance out the kind of slight bagginess with something a little bit more fitted on top. I also love the black pair. They're so cute, and black is really hard to find as well. So this is like a nice kind of washed black color, also in the mom style. And my favorite thing for black denim, I think looks so cute, is a all black on black outfit. It looks really good, really clean and cool and put together, and it's so easy. It could be a black crop top, tank top, bodysuit, whatever you want. It's like instantly gonna look really good. So I'm loving these sort of shoulder pad style t-shirts right now for summer. I think this looks really cute tucked into it. Again, fitted, it's a little loose but not super baggy. And if you wanted a really cool boyish look, you could totally do like a huge graphic tee also with a looser mom short. It would just give a different vibe. Moving on to my third category of denim shorts, which is the long, like I would say Bermuda style denim shorts that came in last summer, and they're definitely not going anywhere. So I have a couple of pairs. The first is by Pistol LA, which is a pretty nice denim brand that is not so expensive, but it's still not super affordable as like the Dish Boutique shorts. So these are, again, around 100, but really nice quality, really soft denim. It's kind of like thin and lightweight for summer, perfect if you live in really hot weather. And what I like about these is that you still kind of get that length, but they are a little bit more of a fitted style. If you don't feel comfortable wearing like baggy things, you like things super fitted, and just closer, like I know some people just like more fitted clothing, this is a really great option. Now for me, I always am like about balance when it comes to my personal style. So I like to wear, if I'm wearing something fitted on bottom, I like to loosen it up on the top, and vice versa, kind of how you've been seeing. So for this particular style, I think this looks so cute for me with like a little crop top and then maybe an open shirt, like a plaid or flannel, or like a silk linen-y button up. Kind of one of my favorite ways to wear this short, for me, creates like a cool balance, but you could definitely do, again, with just like a plain white tee, that would look really good. And these are kind of like a simple go-to. One more pair of the long Bermuda short are these Levi's, which I love. So these have been kind of selling out around the internet, so I hope they're still available by the time that I'm showing this. But I picked up the white pair. I know they come in black, they come in a blue denim. So I just thought the white was really unique because I don't have the white and they're a little bit distressed. Of course, Levi's is like your classic denim brand, so these fit really nicely. I just went true to size on these in a 25 and they're perfect. They aren't overly high-waisted, but just enough where it's nice and flattering. They're not too snug, but they're not baggy by any means. They're really nice fit. So if you see them in any colors, I would just snatch them up, but I'll link the white ones below. And I think the white is just really pretty to have. It looks so beautiful with like nudes, or you can do like an all white look. And I also really like it for contrasting colors. So for instance, these shorts I think look so cute with like a dark gray like band tee and some jewelry with sneakers. And it creates a little bit more of like a tomboy vibe if that's your thing, or really pretty with just like more fitted tops like tanks and things like that. Okay, and last but not least, for my last category are the dad, or I guess they're like the dad shorts. Yeah, so you guys know dad jeans that are really big, really biggy. Oh my gosh. Okay, dad, you know, dad jeans that are super big and oversized. I love them. they have just started making dad shorts. So I feel like they've got mom shorts, they've got boyfriend shorts, they've got dad shorts. It's just a whole family of shorts, basically. We're hitting everybody. So we need like some sister shorts. I picked out this pair from Storettes, which I love. Is a pretty reasonably price pointed website. Really, really cute stuff, you guys. So I think these are under 60 or so, around there. I love the fit of these. They are definitely baggy and give that dad vibe. They're long, but they are super snatched at the waist. So I got a size small, I wear 25, and it's really the perfect fit for a dad short. And so comfortable. Like, honestly, it's so nice in the summer to be able to not wear like, always have to wear like these fitted short shorts. You can have like a cooler dad style. And for a dad short, I almost style these exactly the same way I would a dad denim. So I always do something more fitted on top, typically like a tight fitted bodysuit or a crop top to balance out the bagginess. Again, if you want to go for a super tomboy vibe, by all means pair it with an oversized tee and sneakers. But I love it here with just like a nude bodysuit and like a chain belt. And I think the contrast looks really cute. It's like these really girly pieces on top, and then on bottom, super, you know, tomboy, and the contrast together I think looks really cute. So this is one casual way to wear them. And this pair, I know most of these outfits have been super casual, but this pair specifically I think are the easiest to dress up for like a night out, or to make more of like a going out vibe. So they look really, really good with heels. The same way kind of like a baggier denim does. Same with these, they look so cute with strappy summer sandals. These are like a little heeled flip-flop, which I think looks so cute. And of course like bralette with a blazer. I think this is like the coolest outfit ever. Whatever you want, but I'm obsessed with these. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up all of the denim short categories I have for you today. I'm going to continue hunting for more throughout the summer. I hope this was helpful. Please leave any more styling video suggestions down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys soon.